In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention or tag someone in your Gmail emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly call someone out in the body of your message so they're clearly identified and, in most cases, automatically added to your recipients. Start by opening your Gmail and choosing Compose to start a new message. This opens the drafting window where you'll write your email. You can fill in a subject if you'd like, but the key action happens in the body of the email. When you're ready to mention someone, simply type the @ symbol on its own, like this. @ As soon as you type the @ sign, Gmail will display a small list of suggested contacts based on the people you email most often. This is there to save you time and reduce errors. From here, you can either pick one of the suggestions or begin typing the person's name right after the @ sign to refine the list. If you already know the exact address, you can type the email address directly after the @ sign as well. When you see the correct contact appear, select it. Gmail will insert their name into your message, and in many cases, add their email address to the To field automatically. That means they're clearly mentioned in your text and set to receive the email, which helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks. A few practical tips make this smoother. If multiple people share a similar name, keep typing to narrow it down until the right one shows up. Double-check the previewed email address before you select it so you don't tag the wrong person with a similar name. If your contact isn't appearing, it might be someone you haven't emailed before. In that case, typing their full email address after the @ sign will still work, and Gmail will insert it cleanly. Using mentions is especially handy in longer threads. It helps the person you're tagging see exactly where they're needed, and it provides quick context for everyone else reading. You're not creating a social media style tag, you're simply highlighting a person in the body of your email and making it easier to include them as a recipient. That's all there is to it. Go to Gmail, click Compose, type the @ sign in the message body, and select the correct contact or enter their email address. It's simple, fast, and makes your emails clearer and more actionable. Give it a try in your next message and enjoy the extra clarity it brings.